We'll guide you through how to export Instagram chats and messages. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you want to go and export messages, chats, and DMs. We'll guide you through this step by step, so you can then go and have them onto your device. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you're going to go and miss an important part of this guide. Head to the bottom right first of all, but here are the messages, but head to the bottom right to get your Instagram profile as we are. Go and head to the top right and you can go and find those three lines, which we can then go and tap like so. What you need to do is scroll right to the top into the section, your account. And you're going to go and see the option for account center there. So what you can then do is go and tap like so. Now, what you need to do is once you're here is you need to go down and find the option, your information and permissions, and go and tap there. You'll find the option export your information and you can go and tap there and wait for it to load. And then at the top, you'll find the option for create export and you want to go and tap there. So now you want to go and find the option for your account here in profiles and press export to device. You can go and choose the information. So we're just going to do the messages. So we can go and press customize information, press clear all, scroll down, and we're going to go and just select messages at the bottom here. Then for the rest of it, we can go and clear the rest of it. So you can just see it's going to be messages and you can go and choose a date range. I'm going to go and do all time. Now press start export. Enter in your password to go and confirm this decision. When it's ready, you'll go and see the option for download and you can then go and download the export and you can go and access it on your device.